there's some of you out there who believe in the focusing on one thing and becoming great at one thing, which is true as well. But there's so many different avenues in our lives: financial, spiritual, physically, mentally, intellectually, environmentally, socially. Like, there's so many different things that are a part of our lives. And I feel that we need to be able to be well-rounded in all of them. On the back end of focusing too much on one thing and becoming great on one thing, every other avenue in your life can suffer. So just to use this example, there was a point in my relationship between me and my woman where things weren't going as well because of me. I had a point where I was so focused on trying to build my personal brand. This stuff that you see, everything that had to do as far as starting a business, the Patrick Ravy, the second name, the energetic Pat thing, whatever thing that I wanted to do, I was focusing on that. And things were going well. And they're going well now too. But they were going well at the time, and I was putting all this content out. I was talking with all these different people, and I'm, doing all this stuff, and I'm focusing on the business pretty much. I'm focusing on it. And even though I'm getting the recognition, from some people, and, people are talking to me like, yo, I really love what you posted, or I love what you're doing, I rock with you, I support you. Even though I was getting that, my relationship with my woman was suffering. Like, she really wasn't rocking with me, just to keep it short and sweet. Like, she just wasn't fooling with me at the time. Like, you on the phone all the time, you posting 24/7. It's almost like you're putting me on the back burner. You're not really focusing on me. And of course, at the time, I'm like, yo, I'm just trying to get my business in line. Like, that's all I'm trying to do. And it took me a while to get it. Like, Pat, like, there's a time and place for these things. Like, this is your woman that you've been with for almost 3 years, and you treating her like a friend. You're putting her to the side, and your attention is on all these other things. So yeah, your business is going up, and the recognition that you're getting is going up. But at home, behind closed doors, the one person that you care about the most outside of your family ain't fooling with you. Then I got to thinking, how can I really preach and talk about all this motivational stuff and all this encouraging stuff when I can't even practice what I preach? I talk so much about focus, and I'm not even focusing on one of the things that means the most to me. And then I came to the revelation. I had to get off of social media for a little bit. I had to rewire my thinking. I had to, really change the scope of things and get back to the things that really mattered. And I'm telling you guys this because some of you believe that you're a success just because you're excelling in one avenue in your life, but everything else in your life is going to crap. You got a person that you've been with for a while, and you're not giving them the time and the attention that they deserve. Or on the other end, you're giving all your time and attention to all these other people, but you ain't giving yourself the time and the attention. You're running yourself thin. You ain't got no energy left. And we all know the saying, where your focus goes, your energy flows. So focus on every single avenue in your life and see what needs repairing, if anything. I know you want to be great in this one area. I know your business is very, very important to you. We cannot go 100 miles all the time. We're gonna burn out. Something is going to suffer. So you have to figure out what's important to you, and you need to make sure that thing doesn't suffer. You make sure you put your time into it. You make sure you put your energy into it. Because let's be honest, a lot of us just waste time. Like, we like, oh yeah, like especially in the gym, we'd be like, yeah, I was in the gym 3 hours, but you really only worked out for an hour. The other 2 hours you was talking to people on your phone, taking selfies, using all these filters to make it look like you're making gains, but you ain't making no gain. Some of you spend a lot of time posting on Instagram and social media and all this stuff like, yeah, business, this, that, and the third, whoop, 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 but you really ain't working on your business. You really ain't doing the dirty work to help your business grow, but you want to make it seem like you working hard. Let's just keep it a stack. Let's just keep it a buck. I know some of you are offended by what I just said, and that's okay, but somebody got to tell you, if you can't give the time and attention to your spouse, maybe y'all need to take a break or something. And then some of you like, oh, I just don't want to lose them. Act like it then. That's what I had to figure out. My lady put the ball in my court. She's like, you gotta show me. I don't want to hear you say, yeah, I'm gonna do better. No, you gotta show me. And then I got it. I was like, I gotta restructure. I gotta have a schedule. I can't be working like this. I can't be doing I'm gonna, for one, run myself dry. And then two, I ain't gonna have the energy for her. And then me doing that and translating in my family. Like, if I can spend time with my family, I am. If I need time for me, I'm gonna take it. And I don't feel that guilt trip anymore like I used to. Find that thing that's important to you, or find those things that's important to you. If it's money, then focus on how you can get your bag. If it's happiness, focus on what makes you happy. If it's the people around you, focus on those people. If it's your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health, your intellectual health, like whatever is important to you, I need you to focus on that. We all have the capability of being well-rounded individuals. We all have the ability to get the triple-double. We can succeed in this area and these other 5 and 6 areas. I don't know who told you that you can't, but you can. That's possible. I hope this video whipped y'all into shape, and I hope y'all understand. To become that well-rounded individual, to become the Mr. or Mrs. Triple-Double, man, you gotta work. Just like the shirt said, what did it say? Say hustle. You gotta hustle. And you're capable of hustling. They're making sure that every avenue in your life is staying afloat and making sure that it's excelling and succeeding. I love y'all to death, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Make sure you drink your water too, man. I got to tell you that.